Whether you're in Lagos, Abuja, London, or New York, I'm about to share the 6 accounts that transformed my financial life. And I wish someone had told me about this account 10 years ago. See, most of us grew up thinking a savings account at First Bank or GTB was enough. Our parents taught us to save money, but nobody taught us how to make our money work for us. While we are busy working hard, inflation is busy eating our money. But here is the thing. Wealthy people all over the world use these 6 accounts to build generational wealth. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which accounts to open and how to use them to become financially free. If this resonates with you, click on that like button and let's build wealth together. Starting with account 6, your foundation, a checking account. This is the account with an ATM card, the account you use for your regular expenses. Now I know what you're thinking, and I already have a bank account. But listen, having an account and using it strategically are two different things. Whether you're banking with Access Bank, Zenith, or Chase Bank in the US, your checking account should be your financial command center, not your money graveyard. Here is the biggest mistake I see most people make: keeping too much money in their checking accounts. I've seen people with 5 million naira just sitting in their GTB account, earning less than 5% interest. Meanwhile, inflation is running at 22%. You're literally losing money every day. Your checking account or your regular bank account should hold only enough for your monthly expenses. I'm talking your monthly rent, feeding, transportation, and transfers to your wealth building accounts. That's it. If you're in Nigeria, maybe 200,000 naira to 500,000 naira, depending on your lifestyle. If you're abroad, maybe $2,000 to $4,000. The key is automation. Set up standing orders to move money from your checking account to your wealth building accounts immediately your salary drops. Don't leave it in your account, as this will increase your temptation to spend it on things that won't make you rich. Account number 5, high yield savings account. Make your emergency fund work. Now, this account is where your emergency fund lives, and it needs to be earning you real money. You need a high yield savings account that can give you at least 10 to 15% annually in Nigeria, or 4 to 5% if you're abroad. I have a video coming on soon where I'll be sharing recommendation on different accounts or companies you can use for this. Will you be interested in seeing this video? Drop a yes for me in the comments. The goal is to keep 3, 6, or 12 months of expenses here. If you're single with a stable job, then 3 months worth of your expenses. If you have a family and your salary fluctuates, then go for 6 months worth. If you're a freelancer or someone with very unstable earnings, then 12 months worth of expenses will be best. The key is to make sure it is earning you good returns. The money should also be liquid so that you can access it quickly for real emergencies, not for the latest iPhone or for Ashebi. I cannot stress this enough. If your emergency fund isn't earning you some money, you are getting poorer every month, even while saving. Account 4, your investment or brokerage account. This is where the magic happens. This is your wealth building engine, and anybody serious about financial freedom needs this account. I've done many videos on various investments with step-by-step guides on how to start investing in them. I have also organized some of these into playlists so that they are easy to catch up on. Please check them out, learn, and get started immediately. Get started this week. Remember, we don't accept stories or excuses in this billionaires club you want to join. I also have a very affordable ebook for beginners showing them how they can start investing with as little as 10,000 naira. The link to get yours will be in the description and also in the comments. Here is the beautiful thing about this account. There are no contribution limits. You can invest as much as you want and you can access your money anytime. The key is consistency. Even if you can only invest 10,000 naira monthly or $200 or £100 monthly, do it consistently and aim to increase it as your income grows. The compound effect over 10 to 20 years will shock you. Account 3, your retirement account. Your future self will thank you. Now, whether you call it a pension fund or a 401k, IRA, you need a dedicated retirement account. I made a video explaining the pension fund scheme in Nigeria and how our family and friends abroad can still take full advantage of this fund. Many countries offer tax incentives on these accounts, so most of the money and income here is not taxed, and it can also be used to reduce your overall tax. Here is why this account matters. Many people retire with barely enough to survive, but if you start contributing extra to your retirement account in your 20s or 30s, you could retire comfortably. Remember that we are not depending on just this account at retirement. This is just one of the options we will have available when the time comes. As some of us already know, that retirement can be very, very expensive. You're complaining that the money you have now is not enough for you. Think about what will happen when this money you're getting now stops coming and you still have bills to pay. Start planning your retirement today. Account 2, your dollar or foreign currency account. This is your hedge against Naira devaluation. This is specifically for people in Nigeria, and it is crucial given our economic reality. The Naira has lost so much of its value in the past few years, and unfortunately, this trend might continue. You need to hold and invest in a foreign currency like the dollar. I have a video where I showed you an investment you can do with this. You can fund this investment through legitimate business earnings. For example, YouTube pays us in dollars. International transfers from family and friends abroad. Please don't spend everything. Export earnings if you have a business. This account serves two purposes. You are protected from Naira devaluation and your money is also growing. It's a double win. Remember that this isn't lack of patriotism. It's about financial survival and protecting your family's future. Account 1, your business account, your income multiplication system. The number one account that separates the wealthy from everyone else is a business account. Rich people don't just save money, they make more money through business. Whether you're in Nigeria or abroad, you need a side business, and that business needs to have its own accounts. This does three things for you. 1, legal protection, separates your personal and business finances. 2, tax benefits, legitimate business expenses, reduces your tax burden. 3, credit building, business accounts help you qualify for business loans. The goal is to create multiple income streams. Your salary pays your bills, but your business builds your wealth. Even if your side hustle does not make you much money now, if you invest that business income properly, it could make you a multimillionaire within 10 to 5 years. So there you have it, the 6 accounts that can transform your financial life. 1 is your business account, which is your income multiplier. 2, your dollar or foreign currency account, which is your hedge against devaluation. 3, your retirement account, which is your future security. 4, your investment or brokerage account, which is your wealth building engine. 5, your high yield savings, which is your smart emergency fund. And 6, your strategic checking account, which is your financial command center. Here is your homework. If you're in Nigeria, choose one account to open this week. You can start with a high yield savings account or an investment account. If you're abroad, maximize your 401k or pension fund and open a brokerage account. Set up automatic transfers to move money from your checking to these wealth building accounts. Go ahead and grab the complete money and budget tracker to help you keep track of all your income and expenses. I'll keep the link to that in the description and in the comments. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting for the perfect time or waiting until you have enough money. Start small. Start now with what you currently have. Remember, wealth building is not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and how hard that money works for you. My people, we have to think differently about money if we want different results. Our parents' financial strategy won't work in today's economy. We need modern solutions for modern problems. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth building content. Remember to share this with another person who needs to see it. Together, we can build generational wealth for our families and our communities. What accounts are you opening first? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, keep building wealth, and remember that your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. Feel free to watch the next video showing on your screen. Bye for now.